Smart irrigation starts here.
Regular maintenance prevents clogs. Here's the dirty screen filter compared to the clean disc filter.
Mainline carries water. Submains feed laterals. Lay laterals along beds, avoiding kinks and bumps.
Mitters control drop-by-drop delivery. Choose spacing by crop, close for vegetables, wider for trees.
Use valves for sections, flush lines regularly, and install backflow prevention to protect your clean water.
If low flow, check filter, pressure, and blocked emitters. For help, contact your extension officer or technician.